All right, so I'm Steve Dickey, and I will be the teacher for Introduction to Programming this year. We will be learning JavaScript using the p5.js library. The p5.js library allows us to get to the cool graphicsy stuff as quick as we can. Now, just a kind of quick overview of how we're going to do stuff this semester. For each week, I will create a folder, and then within that folder, I may or may not have folders for the individual days. So if we look at week 2, for example, this week, I did create a folder for Monday and a folder for Tuesday. Now, really, it depends on how much is going on and how much I'm putting in. If it's more of a work week, there won't necessarily be folders. But if there is, we're going to go into the Monday folder, and on Monday, whether you're with me or not, there's material here. So if you're with me in class, all of these things that say watch, these will be us talking together. So I'll be doing a little lecture and we'll be having a little discussion as we go. If you're on your own at home on Monday, you will watch these videos. So you will watch and you'll go through everything in this folder. My expectation is you go through everything in this folder in order. So you'll watch this video, then you'll follow this link. Then you'll do this handout as directed by the video and the directions on the handout. Then you'll watch this video after and only after you've worked all the way through the handout. Okay, this is really important. So going through this is not just a bunch of check boxes. What it really is I'm trying to build you the way that we might have this discussion in class. So what would happen in class is we would be working through this handout maybe a little bit together and having an organic discussion. But if you just skip this and go right to the video, then you haven't done the thinking and the learning piece that I need you to do. So I need you to work through this and then watch the video where we might talk about what we just worked through. And then we have some more material to work through. Watch and play. And my expectation is while you're watching me talk about the code, you're actually stopping it periodically and actually playing with the code and actually trying some of the things that I'm talking about. That's where the most learning is going to happen. And that's what we'll be doing in class. I'll be having students, I'll stop and I'll tell them to do a thing and then we'll ask about it. In the video, I will do a thing and then you should pause the video, play with it, and then come back to the video. That's the expectation. That's the best way that you're going to learn this material. But you're going to work through from the top to the bottom. And then if you are in my class Monday, on Tuesday, that's when you're going to be watching those videos and doing all of the things. And if let's say you are in class Monday and you want to go back, all of the stuff that I'm going to talk about in kind of a direct instructor or a lecture mode will also be in these videos, so you can always go back and watch it later. But you won't be watching these videos in class because we'll actually be doing the work together in class. And that's how we're going to go through the material. Is you're going to go through the material. On Monday, you'll go through the Monday material, either in class or at home. And on Tuesday, you'll go through the Tuesday material, either in class or at home. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and let me know.